Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily replace the filters on the camera of the Mavic Air 2. I'm here with Snowdrone, say hi.
Hi.
And we are going to show you how to quickly take these filters. Okay, so please follow me.
Yes.
You put here your fingers in the camera,
The camera is gonna get dirty.
and then you just snip it like this, and then it comes out. See? Can you follow?
Yeah.
So today it's a very sunny day, and I'm going to change this. I'm using here. This is. Can you see the number here?
Number.
What is the number there?
Focus. It's ND16.
And the 16.
It's kind of blurry. Sorry, if it
So
was blurry.
we are going to put now
A new filter for this ginormous eyeball.
and the 64.
60. So wait,
You are very important.
I didn't catch it. Show
So let's put this on.
it.
It has these 4 clips here. You put the camera here again,
Yeah.
like this, fits, and then you snip it to the clockwise, and it's done. That's for the tip
Maybe-
for today.
or
And
maybe-
see you later. Yes, Snowdrone?
Did I even... The camera's quite slanted. I am the baddest cameraman in the world. But did I show it right? This is kind of hard with your camera.
Okay,
But-
I think
so
to show.
I'm gonna teach you guys because I didn't think I got the footage right. So you get like one of these mudjigs. Oh, sorry. Then you put it sideways. Then you snip it, and then boom. Sorry if got the footage wrong.
Okay, can switch. See you guys. See you later. Bye bye.
Yes. But first, slime. Yeah, that's the end. What is it doing? Okay, see you guys later.